Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to show the hidden rows in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to quickly find the hidden rows without looking through hundreds of rows in search of this double line, we need to use a special feature. To call it, press the Ctrl+G keys and then select Special. Alternatively, on the Home tab, select the Find and Select button and then go to Special. Next, in this window, check the box next to Visible Cells Only and click OK. And now, as you can see, all the rows are highlighted in gray and all the hidden rows are highlighted with a white border. And to show any of these lines, we do the following. Hold down the left mouse button and select the adjacent rows from the hidden row. For example, line 9 is hidden, then we select 8th and 10th, and then open the Options menu with the right mouse button and select and hide. And to reveal all the hidden rows, click Select All button here in the left corner, and then just open the Options menu with the right mouse button and select and hide. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.